Awesome. I have a lot of history I need to clear.
Yeah, I need to clear.
Good fucking lord. What the fuck is this video I just got? Man puts his penis in garbage disposal. That does not look right.
Yeah, why the hell would you...
I don't care if it's fake or not, I'm gonna give this one a watch. And it's a boner, that's the best part. Oh, Jesus!
Did it cut off? Hey, yeah.
Oh my god! It's like a toddler's throwing cake around. There's red all over the wall.
Behave. I'm just leaving my phone charged. I'll see you on a bit.
What the hell?
Oh, fuck. Oh my fucking god! Oh sh! I'm getting the fuck out of here. Yeah, good night everybody. That's enough for me. Oh.
Yeah, I gotta delete my history.
Well, you didn't put yours in the
Oh, no. Oh, it looks like an Italian bakery. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, that fucked up my night. Oh, yep. Yep. God fucking damn it. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch with the damn... I can't even speak. God, oh my god. Shit. God fucking damn. Damn it, I can't even defend my own desk. I'm just getting fucking fat into lay off the damn milk and fucking... I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. Man, that man just put his penis in the garbage disposal.
How retarded do you gotta be to do that?
Oh my god. That's...
I need to lose my...
It's the worst thing I ever fucking... it's one of the worst I ever saw in my life. Oh my god.
Oh god. I really want to...
Not even halfway through the fucking video. Oh my god. There's another guy no. Oh god, this guy is a stiffer boner.
BME 18. Remember when you watched the BME Pain Olympics?
Remember the time I shoved the guitar up your asshole? Yeah, I think so. Oh shit! That man put his penis in...
Why would you put your cock?
Two guys put their two penises in one garbage disposal, another right everywhere. What, man, I look like a coke bomb. Good fucking lord.
Why would you put your cock in the garbage?
Why?
Dude, shut up.
What are you benefiting from? You're putting your penis in the garbage disposal. You got no penis left, man. You gotta have a robot penis to replace
I wouldn't. Why would you put your cock in the garbage disposal? What?
Oh my god!
He's gonna refuse.
Dude, I think you're gonna
Oh my god! Okay, let me pause this shit. Okay, so there's like little remains of their... They're rubbing it up against each other.
What the hell?
What the fuck is this video? What is this?
Just said it once, I want to say it again. Why would you put your cock in the garbage disposal?
Keep playing it. Oh, that is not PG friendly.
PG friendly? Good grammar.
Oh, the third guy. No. Get away from that. Stop that! No! Oh! Oh my fuck! Okay. Three cocks, one garbage disposal. Why? 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 Why?
Oh god.
Someone tell me, why would you put...
It just makes me want to cross my leg.
Oh my god, I didn't cover my penis. I have a garbage disposal upstairs. I'm gonna probably get it rid of. Even speak. Son of a shit. Why did three guys put their cocks on them? Why?
Shut the fuck up.
Why? Fuck.
Oh.
And now they're kissing. That's enough for me. Goodbye, everybody. You know what? Fuck this video. Fuck everything. Fuck everything. Fuck life.
Oh.
That was the worst thing I've ever seen.
Probably.
That's very true. I am a fucked up individual, but someone needs to explain to me why three guys have the motivation to put all their cocks in the garbage disposal.
Hey, 18, just remember, BME Pan Olympics.